This patient, let's call him Syrio. These ears haven't been cleared properly since 2018, and if you like unbelievably long plugs, you're going to enjoy this one. Standard Zollner goes in, the surface immediately starts suctioning away. Bismillah, here we go. But the plug doesn't move. That's never a good sign. This is one of the most awkward combinations. It's soft enough to tear, but stuck enough not to come out. Now it's just tiny movements, millimetre by millimetre, trying to persuade this plug to let go. Then I notice something. Oil is beginning to creep around the edge. That usually means the seal is finally starting to break. I think I've got it, and no, the Zollner slips. Exactly what I don't want. Another soft piece breaks away. Right, one last attempt before I call in the cavalry. More oil, back in again. This time the edges are beautifully lubricated, but the plug still refuses to move. Tiny pulling movements over and over again, but it just won't budge. If I pull too hard, it will tear apart. Too gently and nothing happens. Again, I think it's free, and again, it isn't. Wait. Did you catch that? I think it's actually moving. Tiny movements. Tiny movements. But the bend in the canal has one final trick to play. The bulbous end jabs again. Even my usual rescue point on the edge isn't working today. No, that pushes it deeper. That's the last thing I want. Thankfully, I managed to lift it straight back up again. Deep breath, back in we go. Sometimes resetting the suction seal is all it takes. Tiny movement. Yes, Houston, we have liftoff. Look at that. I genuinely think this is one of the longest continuous plugs I've ever recorded on Wax Off. And you could see the oil didn't even reach the eardrum. The plug absorbs almost all of it. And now for the right side. Surely this one will be easier. Famous last words. Straight away I get movement. And then exactly what I expect, it's breaking apart. The outer keratin layer starts unraveling instead of releasing the plug. I'm hoping that's the weakest point and it's weakened the plug enough. Wiggle mode activated. This has to be it. Yes, out it comes, a thick bulbous plug, complete with its own little baby plug attached to the end. Fascinating. two enormous plugs, both building up since 2018, and here they are, all 8 years of them. I think they've earned their place in the Wax Off Hall of Fame. See you in the next one, where a tiny piece of wax causes surprisingly big problems.